2019 Audi A7 with the 3-liter single turbo motor. We've been getting a lot of these in lately with coolant issues. This one, we replaced the water pump thermostat along with the pneumatic valve. It has a vacuum operated cooling system. This car wasn't leaking, but it was overheating. But what happens is the coolant gets into the vacuum lines and just wipes out everything. Not necessarily a good thing to see a leak on the floor, but it will cause it to overheat. While we're in here, we replaced the water pump, put new hoses on it along with the seals, pneumatic valve, and two of the coolant lines that are plastic, pretty much wiping out every potential issue while it's apart.